Hello, Dave here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hook up your Avata2 and goggles to a monitor or TV using the HDMI port and a smartphone and or iPad. We'll get started. You'll need to get one of these adapters, HDMI on one end and a USB-C on the other end. I got this one off of Amazon. I'll put a screenshot. It was under $20, so you'll need to get this. Okay, in order to hook it up, it's fairly simple. The little C port onto the side here. The HDMI here. And then just plug the other end of the cable into your smartphone or your TV or monitor. So you can see it's now projected on my TV. You're going to want to get the DJI Fly app. You probably already have it. I think you need it to activate the drone. That one in the upper right, that's the one you need, the DJI Fly. I already have it, so I'll just open it up. Now you want to power up the drone, the controller, and the goggles. And on your goggles, you want to use the joystick on the upper right to get to the menu screen. Pull it back towards you. Click it over to share a live view to mobile device via Wi-Fi. Push down on that joystick. I always just click this over to OK. You want to go to the iPad and it'll say detecting the goggles and one other. So click on it. Choose goggles. Join. Go fly. And there you have it. Push the joystick up to remove that menu. But as you can see now, we have everything on the TV. Let me go put the drone outside on the deck and let's take it for a flight. I'm getting a goggle compass interference, most likely because I'm inside. The goggles are sitting on the bottom left-hand corner of the TV. I'm just driving it by the TV. Could put a longer cable and put the goggles outside and just run the cable in through the window to the TV, and it would probably get better reception, but this should work fine. Go ahead and take off. Seems to work fairly well. little jittery. But this is really going to be useful for us when I'm flying. I can have my friends and brothers check out what I'm doing as I'm going, and not necessarily fly. I'm just trying it out. But it probably can't do any real high speed stuff, but you know, I'm flying it right now. Seems to work pretty well. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. And there you have it. An easy, inexpensive way to hook up your goggles to a monitor for smart TV. Or hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.